quick little video because I was having some issues trying to figure something out, even though it was simple. So the last couple days I noticed my fan's been kicking on, but my car wasn't overheating and I wasn't smelling the fluid. But yesterday I got out and I had all that on my driveway, and I actually seen my gauge, my temperature gauge, almost get all the way to the hot, and I had the smell. So I popped the hood and I noticed all the fluids, the radiator fluid was out. And I noticed this. Now I broke this piece right here, but I noticed this crack in this Y. Now I was trying to figure out what this part is called, but couldn't find a name. So I called a local parts store. They told me to take it off, take the Y off and bring it. It's universal, and that's how this piece right here broke. So, and one hose runs to the engine, and then that hose runs to the radiator. Now at the local parts store, so I looked it up, reservoir hose, tank hose, or inlet hose. So 2 to 3 weeks to get that part online, even on eBay, and it's not from China. At the local parts store, the same thing. It was at Advanced Auto Parts. It was 81 bucks. But then it wasn't special order. They wouldn't know how long it would take for them to receive it. So I called a couple salvage yards and I found this piece. I paid $21 for it. Lifesaver, instead of having to wait 3 weeks for it to come in. So it's pretty simple. There's 3 clips. One on each hose. Pretty simple to change. I'm trying to get this done so y'all can watch me change it. Just pull it off. Same with up here. Get some needle nose pliers to loosen those clamps. And just pull it off. Now I had already took it off to take it to the store, thinking that I can reuse this, but you can't. So just you mess it up, no worries, because it can't be reused. Another clamp, take it off, and then here's the the replacement part. Same exact thing off a Cadillac, a little rusty from a salvage yard. So just go back like that. 1 over here, 2 into the radiator, 3. I mean, it's pretty simple. The hoses are labeled, as you see. That says engine, and that one says radiator. You see the radiator fluid that was leaking right there. So come back, make sure everything's on there tight. It slides the clamps to lock your hose in place. Pretty simple, quick and easy. Takes literally 2 minutes, 3 minutes, to probably less than that, to get all these clamps off and pull that hose off. So there we go. That's better. There we go, like that. Last clamp, slide it on. It's gonna be a little tougher because it's a little like, there we go. Here we go. A little extra piece right there that you got to make sure you don't hit. And there we go, that's that. You can see more radiator fluid right there. So now got that hose on, that wide, that radiator reservoir hose, inlet, whatever you want to call it. I just wanted to show you that because I was looking for a video just to find out what this piece was called, and I couldn't find nothing. So there you go, easy change, easy fix, simple. It didn't overheat right away, but it was slowly getting there because of that crack. So like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Peace.